Guys, let me welcome you warmly. As you can see, something new in the yard. So what I can tell you, I got rid of my old Jeep, and this is the thing I bought for it, guys. So the Dodge Challenger 2015, 3.6 liter engine, as you can see, 360 horsepower. And let's take a closer look at the car itself. So guys, this is an amazing piece of machinery. As you can see, all red, favorite color for this car. Let's maybe first get inside and let me turn it on. There we are. Nice. I love the set of clocks on this car. As you can see, kind of old school feel as well to it. Alright, the center console. Here we have automatic gearbox. Here I needed to fix the fuse because somehow the things didn't work, but now after I changed it, the console works perfectly. Alright, so we have the lights here, like spotlights, and at the back there is a bit of space. Not that much, but just enough for 4 persons. Alright, you have electric regulated seats, and the front of the car looks cool. There we go. There we go. I already did put my sunglasses in here. Alright, so this is very cool. There we are. This knife is cool. It's got the window braking thing at the back. Okay. So you guys probably want to hear the car and open the front, see the engine compartment. So I need to press my leg in, and this is an on-off switch. There we are. So my phone's connected, as you guys can see. Nice. What more? So you have the sport mode here. You can put it on. There we are. You can turn the traction off. You have the aircon and everything, and here's the gearbox where you can change it to drive. Alright, let me show you the boot now. Here. Let me maybe do a 360 before I show you the boot. And the engine compartment. Let me open the trunk and show you. I already put a basket. It's convenient when you do shopping. There we go. Nice. So in fact I needed to look into the rear fuse box in here below this carpet to get the console working. Oh, I love this car, guys. This is the 2015 car. Nice. Let's hear it, guys. Dobra, jeszcze tutaj z tyłu podejdę i może jeszcze raz dodać troszkę. Super.
A hamulec nie zostaje trochę? Po drodze? Nie, nie na
Nie? So guys, this is the view from the rear passengers. Alright, looks quite cool. And now the armrest we have here at the back seat as well. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the film today. I need to park the vehicle now, so see you during the next film. I just love this car, guys.